Like, I'm feeling so good today, you will not even believe it. It has nothing to do with the 2 shots. All right, so today I have another Nail Addicts video. So this is the box for it. It is a Sun Nail Addicts UV lamp. It has 4 different settings, and I'm gonna show y'all them settings right now. It has a half, 15, 30, and 60, and it is automatic. Like Sierra. Automatic, supersonic, hip hop, funky, fresh. Yes, yo, this shit is automatic. Did I say shit? I'm sorry, I'm not gonna say shit. So anyway, I'm showing you the settings here for the lamp. And yo, when I say this is a game changer lamp, it is a game changer lamp. All right, so let's get right into it. So now I'm gonna be showing you the colors that I got. Yeah, these colors are awesome. They are cruelty free, they are vegan polishes, they are 1 coaters, and they are 15 mils each bottle. In this package I received 6 colors at, you know, a variety. So right here I'm showing you the colors and the names of the colors, and in the video I will show you exactly what the colors look like and then what my client actually picks. So guess what, your girl is back from overseas and I got a video for y'all. Y'all knew I was gonna have a video for y'all. Y'all knew I was gonna have a video for y'all. Y'all know I'm not gonna forget y'all at all. Not at all. Not a chance. I got y'all. So I particularly like working for this company because, well, you know what? I don't even really work for them. I mean, it's kind of like a business relationship. You know, you send me this and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to tell my customers about it. And guess what, y'all? I have a 55% off code for y'all to order these polishes. Matter of fact, you can order any polish on that site you want. Any polish. It is 55% off with my code, and I will leave it in the description box. You know I got y'all. Any code I have is going to be in the description box. Oh, those are my 2 brushes. Yeah, so I really like working with this company because they are 1 coaters. They're not going to mess up the shape of your nails, because I know a lot of us fear a lot of times that you're going to mess up the shape of the nails that you just work so hard, and either you drill them or you hand file them. Not to fret, my pets. These are not that. These are definitely not that. So I have 5 colors here to show y'all, and they sent to me a remover as well as the lamp, and I'm so grateful that they sent me the lamp, because the lamp that I actually had, them joints conked out on me and they will not cure black polish. So when your lamp is like it doesn't want to cure black polish, yo, it's time to get new ones. So I will have new lamps by the time the next video comes, hopefully, because it's talking about 10 to 14 days process, which I'm not really feeling that, but it is what it is. So stick around, stay tuned, and you will see each color individually. I already did her set, and it was a bomb set at that, might I add. You know, dusting my shoulders off. And you know, it is crazy. This video is about gel polish, so I did not show y'all the process in which I do these extendo nails. I ruined the surprise, but hey, you got it. I did some extendo nails in this video, so just kick back and watch.
Perfect. Perfect.